Hello everyone. Here's going to be a quick tour of the Connecticut Northern. So first we have the tool cart. Um, I've just tried to get up and running pretty quickly here, so things just sort of got put up and I'll have to see where I want to put things. There's the PC with JMRI, Y throttle, and Decoder Pro. You can see the log programmer and proto throttle there, which will work nicely together with ESU log sound decoders. My workbench. Over here is Hartford Yard. This is my old yard repurposed. Here's the new corner section I built to fit in the new house and the space I have available. I don't currently have the yard lead set up. I decided I didn't really use it anyways, so for now I'm going to leave it off just to get up and running and do the one track. Some new wiring just hastily thrown together here to get power to this section and get the buses through to the layout. The DCS 240 command station is back under Hartford Yard that runs the whole layout. And here is the Connecticut Northern itself. We've got some sidings here, and you can see all the track work coming back this way. I don't have the tail yet to provide a runaround track, so the west siding switch at North Windsor is currently out of service. That'll have to get done at some point to get fully operational, but at least we can run trains and do a little bit of operations for now. And there's the workbench. A lot of stuff just kind of got thrown down here, and I was up at Springfield a week and a half ago, so things are still sort of a little bit packed up and need some organization, but that's what I've got for now.